Winter comes with a lot of fun things. Holiday season, bonfires, hot coffee, comfy sweaters, and many more. But in this season, you will have dry and itchy skin the most. Now, even if you drink enough water, you have been exposed to the elements that may make your dry skin more irritated. One of the best ways to nourish your dehydrated skin is to bring it back to life with rich body butter cream. Compared to regular lotion, body butter is thicker and has rich and indulgent ingredients like plant butter shea, cocoa, and mango or additional oil like argan, avocado, and grapeseed. Now, there are a ton of body butter out there on the market, and some lock in moisture to soothe itchy skin, while others help you to treat body acne. Plus, body butter also comes in different fragrances. So in this video, we have rounded up the best body butter for glowing, silky smooth skin to keep your skin hydrated every day. Now, get ready to butter yourself up with these body butters.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Vaseline Illuminate Me Whipped Body Butter is a body butter which is designed with influential Black women. These influential Black women have fused their knowledge on the unique need for melanin-rich skin with the heritage and expertise of Vaseline. They together crafted the Illuminate Me Whipped Body Butter. The light touch whipped body butter with rich moisturization helps in achieving a luminous glow. It also has a distinctive, beautiful fragrance that says, "I have arrived." You don't need to reapply the body butter as it provides 24 hours moisturization for your dry skin. Vaseline Illuminate Me Whipped Body Butter is made with glycerin. It also contains responsibly sourced shea butter and Vaseline jelly. Vaseline Illuminate Me Whipped Body Butter is formulated without parabens. It comes packed in a 100% recyclable jar and lid. Moreover, the jar is made with 30% recycled plastic. Jergens Butter Rose Triple Butter Blend is a wonderful body butter. It is infused with rose essence and camellia essential oil. The rose essence and camellia essential oil indulge romance to your senses. The body butter formula, for its moisturizing effect, features an ultra-hydrating blend of cocoa, shea, and mango butters. Jergens body butter also includes alluring essential oils, and it offers your body and mind with a sweet and light rose scent. Jergens Butter Rose Triple Butter Blend hydrates your skin and moisturizes, while ensuring a blissful softness. It makes your skin feel beautiful. Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Cream is uniquely formulated body cream infused with deep moisturizing nourishing serum, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. The body cream nourishes your dry skin for visible radiance. It leaves your extremely dry skin intensely hydrated and radiant after just one application. The body butter also locks in moisture, which gives you noticeably smoother and radiant skin. Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Cream is dermatologically tested and approved. It ensures 48 hours of deep nourishing moisture and provides intense care and pampering to your skin. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is a deliciously scented body cream. This body cream helps visibly smooth and tighten the appearance of your skin with the help of caffeine-rich guarana extract. The body butter has fast-absorbing cupuaçu butter, which delivers hydration and essential fatty acids deep into your skin. It also makes your skin incredibly silky and soft. The coconut oil in it melts quickly into the skin and softens condition and moisturizes it. There are also antioxidants like guarana extract and acai oil, which help in preventing environmental damage on your skin. The body butter is also infused with Brazilian nut oil, which is a selenium-rich food. It aids in supporting the skin's natural ability to protect itself. Moreover, it provides your skin with a healthy-looking glow. The cream is addictively scented with the delicious notes of pistachio, salted caramel, and vanilla. And to feel the body's confidence, apply it wherever you go. Burt's Bees Mama Bee Belly Butter is a body butter that is designed for your mamas. It nourishes your belly before and after pregnancy. The body butter is very moisturizing and specially blended to soothe your skin throughout the 9-month stretch of pregnancy. The rich body butter will keep your growing belly soft, smooth, and comfortable before and after your newborn's arrival. The body butter pampers you with the lotion that softens and smooths your skin with a blend of naturally hydrating cocoa, shea, and jojoba butter. The butter is fragrance-free and it recovers your skin after pregnancy with its 99% natural origin. Burt's Bees Mama Bee Belly Butter is non-irritating and formulated without phthalates, parabens, petroleum, or SLS for your convenience. These are a few of the body butters that will not only nourish your skin, but also promote healthy and hydrated skin. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.